When thinking of your dream home, are you thinking of a different home? Finding your dream home can be next to impossible. It doesn't have to be. What's old can become new again. Increase your home's value, update your outdated fixtures, and customize your home to fit your lifestyle. Save time, energy, and money by renovating with Nation Builders. Together, we can make your dream come true. We understand renovating is one of the biggest decisions you can make as a homeowner, and that's why we make it easy for you. We developed the Nation Way to help guide you through our process and to ensure that everything goes smoothly along the way. At Nation Builders, we're not just contractors, we're craftsmen. We pay special attention to detail and artistry. Through our partnership together, you can trust that our team of experts will help turn your dream home into a reality. When working with Nation Builders, you are guaranteed transparency, integrity, and efficiency. From the initial design and planning to the final installation, your dream is our creation when you renovate with Nation. Get started today.